Hey everyone, if you want to get the most out of Microsoft OneNote, you're in the right place. Whether you're using it for school, work, or personal projects, OneNote is much more than a simple note-taking app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential features and best practices that will help you master Microsoft OneNote from the ground up. So let's get started. Start by creating separate notebooks for different areas of your life, such as work, school, or personal projects. Inside each notebook, organize your information with sections and pages. Building a clear structure from the beginning makes everything easier to manage later. Take advantage of OneNote's flexible page layout. Add headings, bullet lists, tables, images, links, and files to make your notes more useful. You can click anywhere on the page to start typing, giving you complete freedom to organize your content. Use tags like to do, important, or question to categorize information. As your notebooks grow, OneNote's built-in search feature lets you quickly find notes, keywords, or tagged items across all your notebooks. Sign in with your Microsoft account to synchronize your notebooks through OneDrive. This allows you to access your notes from Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, or the web while keeping everything updated automatically. Need to work with others. Share your notebook with teammates, classmates, or family members. Everyone with permission can view or edit shared notebooks, making collaboration simple and efficient. To truly master OneNote, develop a routine. Keep your notebooks organized, use checklists and tags regularly, archive completed projects, review your notes often, and back up important information. Small habits like these can make OneNote an incredibly powerful productivity tool, and that's how to master Microsoft OneNote. By combining smart organization, effective note-taking, cloud synchronization, and collaboration features, you'll be able to manage information faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of our Microsoft OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.